Welcome to another episode on our channel. This is our third and final installment of Diablo from the Suicide Squad, the 2016 movie. There were two movies that were made for Suicide Squad, one in 2016, one in 2021. He was one of my favorite characters in the first one. If you remember, in the first episode, we showed you the head I would be using and the body, and the head is a TB League Ramses head. So it was nice in that it was bald, which is what I needed. And what I did is I penciled in the tattoos. If I get brave enough, I will use the permanent marker. I just have to get brave enough, because with pencil you can erase it. And you have to realize when you're drawing on a face, it's not like a flat piece of paper or anything like that. It's got contours and indents. It's very difficult to draw on a face. So I hesitate to go with a permanent marker, but if I get brave enough, I will. Like I said, I showed you some of the clothing I might choose from in the first episode, and in the second episode we did clothe him. So we put some light tan cargo pants on him, some hiking boots / shoes that have shades of brown and black in it, which match with the black hoodie he has on, and underneath it he has a black turtleneck. I didn't want to mess with any more tattoos on the neck, so I put a turtleneck on him. And today, I should back up. Made the belt. So decided to leave the belt on, even though I could put the hooded jacket over the belt. I think he looks better with it up above the belt. So the only accessory I have is a flame, and I just put it in his hand. So we will pause and get him on a turn tray, and we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. I like it that the flame isn't too large. I just wish I could actually put a flame in his hand, but that would ruin his hand. So there he is. We'll pause now and get some close-ups. Not much in the back, so we'll just go here and here. And there you go. Diablo is a little glossy in the lights because, again, I use pencil. But there are things you can see here. You can see his name underneath his lip, Diablo. You can see a little cross on the side. His eyes are darkened. So is his nose above his upper lip. I don't even know how to describe it. Just some sort of design. There's some etchings above his right eye that equal 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, and then two slashes there. And then the Grim Reaper sickle on his forehead. So yeah, there you go, Diablo. So for this part, we got closer and we tried to turn the lights down lower so you could actually see more. So you can start to see his name underneath his lip, Diablo, right there. On this side, there's a cross. On his upper lip, a design. On his nose, a design as well. His eyes are darkened, what totals to be 7 notches above his right eye, and then a sickle in the center of his forehead. So I hope that helps a bit. It came out amazingly well, given this is the first time I tried to pencil something in. It is pencil, so it is glossier. When I have enough courage, like I said, I will try to do it in terms of a permanent marker, but I also don't want to ruin it, and I am deathly afraid I might do that. You can fix this since it's pencil with an eraser, but you mess up with a marker, it's a goner. So there you go. Here's one last look at Diablo. We have Harley Quinn, we have the Joker, we have Deadshot, we have Ratcatcher 2. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.